0 o'clock to 0:30 from 0 to 50,000 subscribers, with no ad spent. Is that even possible? Absolutely. It's etched in the stars, waiting for you to claim it. We're going to blueprint your journey, step by step, so you can start climbing and finally feel like the summit-conquering creator you were born to be. 0:30 to 2 o'clock. Let's talk about your blueprint's brilliance. Forget about throwing money, ads hoping something sticks. Think of it like this: ads can buy you views, but they can't buy you fans. Engage in the comments and share your content because they genuinely believe in what you're doing. This organic approach isn't just about saving money, it's about building an unbreakable foundation. It's about creating a channel that isn't just a number on a screen, but a thriving community. Your vision is the master plan, the core of this entire structure. It dictates the content you create, the audience you attract, what problem are you solving. 2 o'clock to 4:30. So, how do we start framing this foundation? It comes down to 3 critical pillars. The riches are in the niches for a reason. Your niche is your anchor. Pick a schedule you can realistically stick to and be relentlessly consistent. Consistency builds anticipation and trust. It's like their favorite TV show, they know when to tune in. This means engaging genuinely in the comments on channels within your niche. It means collaborating with creators who are on a similar journey. These 3 frames: your niche nest, your content cadence, and your network nodes are the non-negotiable supports for your channel's foundation. 30 to 6 o'clock. Alright, we're at a crucial point in the blueprint. It's you telling yourself, the algorithm, and me that you are serious about this journey. But there's more. Scouting for dedicated creators, people like you, for potential collaborations and shoutouts right here on this channel. Imagine the power of us building together. 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Now that we've laid the groundwork, understanding these scaling strategies is what separates the channels that plateau from the ones that skyrocket. We'll talk about how to turn a single video idea into a multi-part series. Just remember the journey of Zoe, a creator in the gardening space. She built a tomato troubleshooting series. 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Let's break down that 0-2 hero build. Zoe's success wasn't an accident, it was architecture. A few people asked specific questions about tomato plant diseases. She created a clear content cadence, one deep dive tomato video every Tuesday and a quick Q and a short every Friday. Then came the network nodes. Not spamming her link, but genuinely helping people with their tomato troubles and gently mentioning she had a video that explained it all. People started following her back to her channel, and because her content was so specific and valuable, they subscribed. 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Okay, you've made it. This is the strategy that takes you from a steady climb to an exponential launch. Are you ready? It's called series stacking. Then, you scaffold a 3 to 5 part video series that solves it completely. A bingeable journey that viewers won't want to leave. When a new viewer discovers part 3, tomato troubleshooting, then advanced composting, then small space vegetable gardens, each series is a new on-ramp to your channel. With this, 50,000 subscribers isn't just a goal. I've architected a special 30% discount on all my creator tools and resources. The link is the speaker screeder shop. fourthwall.com. I'll be giving epic shoutouts in future videos to the blueprint builders from the comments, so make sure your name is there. And for your final comment, what series will you complete first? You're the pro now. Thank you for watching.